Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the exercise part of the lesson Trapped by Tiger. Write whether the following statements are true or false. Write the false statements correctly in your notebook. Okay. The hunters stayed in a forest rest house. False. They gone for hunting. The boy was sad to see the hunting party leave without him. False. He was happy. The boy saw a baby tiger standing and staring at him. False. The hunter stayed in a forest restroom. True. It's not false. This is true. Okay. They stayed in a forest rest house. This is true. False, false. The boy was out on the flat roof of the bungalow when the tiger came in. True. The forest guard came inside the bungalow to save the boy. True. The hunters had shot a few peasants. True. Answer the questions and revisit the sequence of the story. What did the boy do when the hunters left? He ate some sandwiches and he sat on the veranda reading the book and ate sandwiches and tea, and he slept. What did the boy do when he saw the tiger? He dashed into the living room. What was the tiger doing at the beginning? It was circling the house. Why did the boys run to the bedrooms? Because the window was not closed in the bathrooms, so he wanted to close that window. That's why he rushed to the bedroom. How did the boy feel once he was able to close the doors? He felt he was safe. How did the tiger try to enter the house? It knocking the door, it stabbing the door. How did the tiger try to enter the house? It broke the door of the living room. What did the boy do to reach the skylight? He dragged the table, and in that table he put one cane chair, that he climbed to the skylight. Once the boy reached the roof, what did the tiger do? Tiger broke everything in the living room. Okay. Next, vocabulary. Fill in the blanks with these words from the story. You may have to make some changes. My grandfather's favorite dash is painting. Favorite pastime. A sudden shadow across the window dashed me at night. Startled me. The cat pulled the tablecloth and all the glasses dashed to the floor. All the glasses crashed to the floor. Neeraj missed a step while climbing down the stairs and dashed over. Tumbled over. Pramit was dashed as he tried to find his way out of the haunted house. Pramit was with a tumbled. T-U-M-B-L-E-D. Tumbled over. Pramit was trembling. When I take my dog out on walks, he dashed the ground in search of bones. He sniffed. Next. Match these animal idioms to their meanings. At a snail's pace, very slowly. Busy as a bee. Extremely busy. Have eyes like a hawk. Notice or see everything. Third one. Hold your horses. Be patient. Have butterflies in your stomach. Be nervous. Take the bull by the horns. Face a difficult situation with courage. Wolf in sheep's clothing. Someone who seems friendly but it is actually dangerous. Next. Complete the sentences using the idioms you have just learned. You may have to make some changes. The king does not trust his minister as he is a wolf in sheep's clothing. Wolf in sheep's clothing. The cars are moving dash because of the heavy rains. Cars are moving at a snail's pace. At a snail's pace. My mother has been working all day. She is busy as a bee. Busy as a bee. Although Neha was nervous, she decided to dash and tell the teacher the truth. She decided to take the bull by the horns. take the bull by horns. Ratna is giving a speech for the first time and she has butterfly in her stomach. She has butterflies in her stomach. Dash, there is no need to rush. Hold your horses. The teacher who gave us the test today and dash nothing went unnoticed by her. Have eyes like a hawk. Understood? Next. Fill in the blanks with the simple past tense of the given verbs. Rama dash 5 packets of chips yesterday. Rama bought. We dashed to the amusement park last weekend. We went. The vase dash and dashed into pieces. Vase fell and broke. My mother dashed a cake for my birthday yesterday. Baked. Priyam dash very scared after watching a horror film. Was. Vibhu dash a letter to his cousin and dash it. Wrote. Mailed. Next. Fill in the blanks with the past continuous tense of the given verbs. Rachana dash all day yesterday. Was painting. The peacock dash happily in the rain. Was dancing. We dash home when it started drizzling. We were walking. Last Sunday, while I dash for my bus, I met my cousin. I was waiting. Sanket dashed dinner when his mother returned from work. Sanket was having. Sheena dashed the piano when she heard a knock on the door. Was playing. Understood? So for this we finished our exercise part of the lesson, Trapped by the Tiger. Tomorrow we will see the lesson Rainforest. Okay? Thank you.